Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Ilya, and Ilya is 4 months old. He was 1 month premature, so he should be considered like a 3-month-old. And we're working on, Ilya's developed a preference to turn his head toward the right and actually shorten his right side. So one of the ways you can look at it is look at the trunk mobility. So Ilya, one of the things that you can look at is an upper side bend. This is an upper side bend going over here and going over there. And see if he's tight in the side of his trunk as you go over here and over there. Now, since he's shortening on his right side, I'm going to guess that it's going to be easier to take him off to the left, harder to take him off to the right. So let's just see. I'm going to take him over here to the right and then go over here to the left. Over here to the right and to the left. So, yep, I'm really having trouble lengthening out the right side, and the left side is pretty easy, but that right side is tough. So there's really two different schools of thought on how to lengthen out that right side. One way is to go over here on this right side and just hold it and see if it lengthens going off, lengthening out that right side. The other way to do that is take him off to the left side and hold it for a while. And hold and hold and hold, maybe a minute of holding, and then go back off to the right to see if that lengthens out that right side by letting it shorten and by having it shortened over time, that you allow that side to relax enough to then be able to stretch out when you come over. So two different ways to work on that. Actually, look, he is going better off to the right now. So one school of thought is just to take the side that's tight and go over there and hold it. The other school of thought is to go over to the easy side, hold it for a little bit, and then recheck after you've held it a little bit to the tricky side to see if it's better. I hope that's an easy idea of something you can check with your baby. They have a head turning preference to see if they have one side of their trunk that is easier and one side that is harder to take their trunk off to. Again, it's not this, but it's actually this. And you have your hands on either side of their trunk and taking them both ways to see which side is easier. Still definitely a lot easier going to his left, much harder going to this right. Hope this is helpful, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.